Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper with Casper Crypto, and in today's video we've got some huge Dogecoin news that I think are going to be really big. And along with that, we're going to be taking a look at Dogecoin's price and doing a little bit of analysis, seeing where Dogecoin could be headed in the next few hours and in the next few days. But before we get into the video, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button down below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd greatly appreciate it. So let's get right into it. Take a look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin's currently at around 27.7 cents, down about 2.5% today. The last few days have just been red after red after red after red. And if you take a look at the last 7 days, it's basically just been a steady decline downwards from about the 33-cent price range to at even a point today, this morning, at 25.5 cents per Dogecoin. So we did have a pretty major drop off this morning, but we rebounded from there and started to trend downwards a little bit, but at least we made it out of that big hole, which could have been pretty bad. It could have gotten really bad. But good thing we are still on the rise. Hopefully we can continue to rise and break above this downtrend. But if we take a look at the last month, we're basically at the same levels we were at just like the beginning, the end of May 23rd. You can see that we were at similar prices. And again, at May 29th, we weren't at these prices, but we were at similar prices. So basically what's going on with Dogecoin is we just got this huge consolidation cycle. Like, nothing's really moving. But oftentimes when there's a lot of consolidation like this, that means that there's bound to be a movement, an explosive movement, in either the upward or downward direction very soon. So let's take a look at the news and take a look at what's going on. So first of all, we got the man, the myth, the legend, Elon Musk right here. He responded to this tweet, and I actually have this tweet. I see this guy deleted it. He probably got super embarrassed that he got roasted, that he took it down. But basically what happened is Billy M2K basically responded to this guy's tweet, and I'm going to pull it up right here. You can see that it says, some communities are really good at marketing themselves and making people want to be a part of them. As a response to this guy saying, people won't use that blurb coin. Thanks to Elon Musk, some use. The day Elon dumps, it will be useless anyway. And then Elon Musk responded to this, haha. And this guy seems like he is a major Shiba Inu coin supporter. As you can see by his name, I can't read the full name because this tweet got deleted. I think he just got super embarrassed because of this. But what does this really mean? Well, I think that this actually signals to us that, hey, Elon Musk isn't really interested in any other dog coins, any other meme coins. He's 100% fully dedicated to Dogecoin, and he's not really trying to mess around with Shiba Inu. He knows that that's in a different ballgame. But yeah, basically taking a look, I think Elon Musk doesn't not like it. He doesn't not like Shiba Inu, and I personally have nothing against Shiba Inu. I think it's an awesome coin. But I think that it's good that Elon Musk is focusing on one thing and trying to make the best out of it, and not trying to focus on like 20 crypto projects at the same time and trying to make them all good. So that we got some positive news that Elon Musk is loyal to Dogecoin, and he's sticking with that opinion very strongly, which is good to see. And then if we take a look, we got some other news that came up. So we got ZoidPay right here, brings crypto shopping to Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and over 40 million online retailers with Dogecoin. So they're actually allowing Dogecoin right now to be traded. I'm not sure why it doesn't say here, but they basically recently allowed people to start trading Dogecoin. And for those who don't know, ZoidPay is basically a digital wallet that allows you to shop on different marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, Walmart, AliExpress, Alibaba, Best Buy, Apple, basically everything you can see right here. And they're now going to be allowing people to use Dogecoin, which is awesome. As you can see, this is a pretty amazing service, to be honest. I personally haven't used it, but I may be looking to use this, especially since they give cash back on certain purchases, which could be a pretty good deal. They have a transparent team and all that. So basically, the good news is that they're allowing Dogecoin to be traded, to be used to buy things on their platform, which is awesome. That's expanding the whole use case of Dogecoin, adding on to the thousands of retailers that are allowing Dogecoin. If you watched my previous videos, I had a video where, correct me if I'm wrong, but there were like 1,400 retailers that were allowing people to to buy things with Dogecoin, which is absolutely crazy. Some of them are online, some of them are brick and mortar, but that's crazy that we're seeing so much mass adoption happening with Dogecoin, and that's nothing but good to see. I think that the price is temporary. We should not be like flocking away from Dogecoin just because the price is dropping. Think about the fundamentals and how great it is, especially since they're planning on partnering up with Vitalik Buterin and Ethereum. So many good news coming up. But we got one last thing that I want to go over with you guys before we get into the analysis. We still have a lot of FUD going on. As you can see right here, Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, calls Doge a Ponzi. So basically, as you can see in his right here, I don't know what platform is this. It seems like it's something similar to Facebook. But basically what he said was, grabbing a taco at lunch today, I was in line behind two guys intensely debating Doge. Their specific point of contention, how to pronounce the GE. I just sat there silently before quickly removing my Coinbase hat before anyone noticed. Smiley face. So how do you pronounce Doge? He basically made a poll. He got some votes, like 1,000 votes. Doge. I don't even know how you say Doze. I have no idea. And both taco guys are wrong. And then right here, as you can see, Neil Kashkari, I think he just had a bad day, or he wasn't doing too well that day. He just responded, the right pronunciation is Ponzi, saying that he thinks it's a Ponzi scheme. And he got a lot of people to see this and reacted to it. But this isn't the first time that Kashkari has taken aim at cryptocurrencies. In February 2020, he said that digital assets like Bitcoin lack basic tenets of stable currency and praised the Securities Exchange Commission for cracking down on initial coin offerings. So he's basically just a huge entire crypto bear. He doesn't believe in it. He doesn't think it's anything that will contribute towards the future, even though I personally think that Dogecoin and cryptocurrency will be the currency of the future, and it will develop our world insanely. It's like the internet back in the 1990s. So honestly, I think we're still really early, and that's great to see. If you're watching this video, just know that you're early and you're ahead of the game, so that's awesome to hear. But yeah, let's get into that analysis, taking a look at a little bit of analysis, seeing where Dogecoin could be heading over the next few hours and the next few days. So taking a look at Dogecoin right now, we're currently in this huge head and shoulders pattern, but it looks like it's not really following it, to be honest. And I'm actually really happy to see that it's not really affecting the price, this whole head and shoulders pattern that's been forming. Wow, I don't know why that just erased right there. But yeah, you get the whole pattern. There's a head and shoulders pattern going on right here, which looks like exactly like a head and shoulders. And the neckline is right on this line, as you can see, this trend line that I drew. However, we have broken below it. And when you have a head and shoulders pattern, you break below it, oftentimes what you see is a major spike down in price and a lot of volume that picks up, and we just see a huge downward movement. Usually you would probably see like a retest and then just a massive move downwards. But with Dogecoin, we really haven't seen that. We just seen a steady decline. We just had a little bit of moving up and moving down. Dogecoin's like not really sure what it wants to be doing right now. As you can see, we just had a drop, rebound, and now it looks like we could be dropping again. But basically what I want to take a look at is Fibonacci retracement to see what are the key levels where we could be buying up Dogecoin at the best prices, like where it could tend to stop dropping down lower. And it looks like the next point of resistance, according to the Fibonacci retracement, which doesn't always play out correctly, it does have a chance, doesn't always have a chance, would be right around the 22.5, 23 cent levels. That'd be the next place of support. It's like a psychological support. That's what the Fibonacci retracement measures. But of course, this is not financial advice. These videos are just for educational and entertainment purposes only. But that's what I'd be looking at. If I see Dogecoin right around the 23 cent area and we see a strong rebound from there, I would personally see that as a good support area and a good place to be buying up some more Dogecoin. And if we fall below that, worst case scenario, we could probably go down to about the 9 to 10 cent area, which I think is highly unlikely, but you always have to consider it as a possibility and be ready for anything, because with crypto, literally anything can happen. So that's a little bit of analysis. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to smash that like button down below. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and hope you guys have a great rest of your day.